lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of March's Boxycharm Premium box. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what all I got, tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so here is the card this month. It is Planet Woman is the theme, I guess. And then of course on the back is the prices and everything, which I'm glad to see that they included a card this month, because last month, if you didn't see my video, they didn't have their normal card. They didn't have any product list with prices. But anyway, so it looks like there's going to be some changes to Boxycharm. I'm not really for sure yet what it is. It has this card and it's kind of talking about it, but I don't know. I don't quite understand it, so I'll just wait to see what happens. So as usual, I did go ahead and try out the what makeup products that I could beforehand, before filming this video. That way I could give you guys my first impressions of the makeup products in the box. And just to be completely honest, this is not my favorite box from looking at it, just because there's only 2 makeup products in the box, which I was pretty disappointed to see. It's mostly skincare or skin related products. So yeah, I'm pretty disappointed just from looking at the box right now. So first product is actually one of my choice items, and this is their super thick scalp serum is what it's called. I don't know how to, I think it's called Neo. The Neoco is the brand name. I don't know. Yeah. So this retails for $45. Yeah. So this was one of my choice items. So if I chose this, I'm assuming it was either skincare or this, because I predominantly go for makeup products. When it comes to my choices, I will always pick a makeup product. So there's that. And then we have something in here from Marad, I don't know. This is their Retinol Youth Eye Serum. This retails for $89, so a pretty penny for this. Yeah, that's just what it looks like. Then we have something in here from PMD. I think is how you say that. Yeah, PMD. And it is their Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device, and this retails for $99. Now, normally I would be, pretty interested in getting this product, but I've actually received this product, like, I want to say it was like a couple of years ago. So, I don't know. Have they just had this in their storage the whole time, and then I'm just, okay. I just want to say, I feel like maybe because of their announcement about things changing with Boxycharm, it made me wonder if that's why I keep getting duplicates. Because I was wondering, I was like, I don't know, maybe they've been planning to do this for a while now, and they're trying to get rid of, like, their stock, so to say. Maybe because they're making, I don't know what the changes are, but I was wondering, I was like, is that why they've been, like, I feel like the boxes lately have been, like, getting rid of old stock because something's about to change, and I don't know. But anyways, I know I got this, like I said, a couple of years ago, I want to say. But, maybe I'll use it. I think I gave away my other one to, like, my sister or something, but maybe I'll keep this around and use it again. But, yeah, so there's that. Sorry if my voice sounds a little rough today. I don't know. I think the weather constantly changing from hot to cold is kind of messing with my sinuses and stuff. Anyways, next up we have something here from La Palette, I think is how you call it. I don't know. Beauty. And it is this Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser, which does look pretty nice. I do like getting cleansers. If I were to get skincare, I prefer cleansers. I'm going to go ahead and open this just to look at the product. I have other cleansers I'm going through right now, but I am happy about getting this. I do like trying out different cleansers, so I'm excited to see this. And how much do you retail for? $32 for this. Alright, so that's all the skincare stuff out of the way. So next up we have something in here from Context, and this is their matte lipstick. This retails for $20, and it is in the shade Tears Are Falling. So this is what I have on my lips right now. I do actually really like the color. I didn't think I was going to, but yeah, I was surprised by it. It's like a nice, like I don't know what you would call that. It almost seems like a berry color, but it's more nude. I don't know colors, okay? Anyways, there's that. And that last but not least is my second choice item, because you get to customize 2 products in the premium boxes, and unfortunately I made a mistake. I didn't realize that I already had owned this product. I'd gotten it in a previous box a while back. It's a palette, and I don't know, I didn't remember getting it. And that's probably really bad because I have so many palettes, so I can't keep track of their names. But anyway, so this is my bad because when I opened this, I was like, I've already gotten this palette before. Why did I get another duplicate? And then I was like, oh, that was my choice item, so I'm the one that chose that. But anyways, so the palette is Mally Beauty. It's from Mally Beauty, and it's the Best Dressed Lids. And it's the Neutrals and Bolds palette. And yeah, I don't know why I didn't realize that I'd already owned this palette. I think it's because I didn't expect them to as my choice item be a product that I already had. Like, they've never done that before, so I've never like really kept track of what I've gotten before and what I've not. Anyways, I'm not going to swatch it or touch it or anything because I'm going to pass this on to a family or friend, but here's what the palette looks like. So this palette is what I'm currently wearing on my lids. I didn't use this palette in particular, but I grabbed my palette from my collection and I used it today, and this is actually the first time I'd used it because it's just been sitting in my collection. It's one of the many palettes that I haven't gotten around to using yet. Anyways, my first impressions of it is I like the mattes, although there's only 2 mattes in here. I don't know if you saw that or not. I'll pull it out again to show you. Yeah, there's only 2 mattes. This one here and this one here. So I use both those. They're both nice neutral shades. And then I tried out a lot of the shimmers. So because they don't have a darker matte color, and you know how I like to do my makeup, I like to always darken the outer corners just because that's my thing. So I use this blue shimmery, and it looks really like a black on, like, I don't see the shimmer part. It just looks like a nice darker matte with maybe a hint of shimmer. Then I used this green shade here is one of my shimmer shades, and then I used the gold over here as a shimmer shade as well. And to be completely honest, the shimmers are really not that great. Like, for the darker one to use on the outer corner worked fine, you know, I didn't really see much shimmer. But when I used the green and the gold, I don't know, it's just, if they're not my favorite formula. And it's not even really the formula maybe that's bad, it's that it's just not very shimmery. It really doesn't reflect light like great or anything. I mean, it's nice, but it's just, I don't know, it seemed like I had to apply a lot of the gold to even get the gold to like really pop. Like, it just doesn't pop very well. And the green was kind of a darker green, so I didn't really expect too much out of it, but the gold I did kind of expect more. And, you know, it's pretty, but it's just not like, I don't know, some of the other gold shades that I've used from other palettes. Like, it doesn't really pop, you know? Does that make sense? I hope I'm making sense. But yeah, so this palette's okay. It's not my favorite. But yeah, I'll definitely be passing this on to a family member or a friend because I don't need 2 of the same palette. Alright, so that's everything in the box. So now I'm just going to go ahead and tally up the price so that you guys know the overall value. And then after that, I'll do a final thoughts on everything. Alright, so the overall value for this box is $330, which is pretty good considering what I paid. But having said that, there are several items in here that are just kind of, I don't know, like the 2 skincare products are the highest, were like this eye serum here, and then this bad boy here got the price way up because it is $99 for those 2 products. So $89 for this and then $99 for that. So that right there, you know, that got the price up a lot. And then the palette, I don't remember if I said, I might have forgotten to say, the palette is $45, which honestly, not trying to be rude or mean, but I am going to give a little criticism. The palette, I feel like, is not worth $45. Nowhere close to that. Not trying to diss the brand or anything, but just from like using it and stuff, the quality is just not what I would expect from a $45 palette. I would say that it's kind of more like a $20 palette or something, kind of like ColourPop's palette or something, and even ColourPop has a little bit better formula, but I'm just being honest. I just don't think it's worth $45. So $45 for that, and then there's also $45 for this serum, this hair serum. Actually, it says a scalp serum, so it's a scalp serum So those two got the price up a lot too, just from those two $45 price tags. And then what did we have left? Oh, the skincare and the lipstick. So final thoughts on everything. This is probably, I don't know, I feel like this is the box that has the highest price tag that we've gotten on Premium in a really long time. So in that case, it looks like a really great box. But for me personally, I don't think it's great at all. I actually feel like this is the worst box from Premium that I've gotten in a really long time. Like, well, just the fact that there's mostly skincare in here and there's only 2 makeup products. And the lipstick is really nice, and I'm glad to have gotten it. I really do like it. Yeah, it's a great lipstick. The palette, on the other hand, I mean, it was my fault. I got a duplicate. I should have been more careful about what I chose and realized, oh yeah, this is a product I already had. So that's not their fault. But still, having said that, I just don't think this is a great palette. So yeah, so it's just a bit disappointing on that. And then the other products, the only 2 skincare products I'm pretty interested to use is this cleanser here and then the scalp one, which do you technically say this is skincare or is this a hair product? I guess it's a hair product, but it is for your scalp. So anyways, I'm interested to use these. As for the other 2 products, I just feel like they were toss-in products to get the price value up. I am interested to use this eye serum, but this product is kind of just disappointing that it's a duplicate from a previous box that I've gotten before. I'm hoping with this new changes that they're doing that we'll stop getting duplicates, because like I said, I wondered if they're kind of trying to get rid of old stock since they're about to make some changes. So I don't know. I'm really hoping that I won't keep getting duplicates because it's really kind of disappointing. When I first got a couple of duplicates, I was like, oh, you know, it happens, I guess. But it's become very consistent now that I'm getting a duplicate in every single box that I've gotten recently for the last, I want to say 6 months or something. I've gotten a duplicate, maybe even longer than that. It might have been a year now. Yeah, I've been getting duplicates for a while. Anyways, so yeah, not my favorite box. I am curious to see what BoxyLuxe has in store. I wonder if it's going to be a good box or if it's going to be another kind of crappy box. That should be coming in pretty soon. But there you go, guys. That is my final thoughts on everything. But yeah, that's going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help with my channel. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my premium box this month. Did you guys get premium? And if you did, what did you think of your box? And let me know down below because I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!